Hello students, today I explain you chapter 2 part 5. Yes students, up to part 4 already done. Now I am going to last part related our miscellaneous examples. It's a very big part, so students. So miscellaneous examples related numericals. Example 9. Sine 3 pi by 5. So students, you check 3 pi by 5 is where exactly belonging in our range or not. Minus 90 to 90 is the range of sine inverse. 3 pi by 5 means how much it is degree? 3 pi by 5 is belonging or not? Just like check students. 3 pi by 5 means 3 into 180 by 5. How many 180 by 5? 36. And 36 3s are 108. It is here. Means not belong my range. So I just converted into range sine. Here 3 pi by 5. So 2 pi minus pi by 5. 5 is a 10. Sorry, not 3 pi, only pi minus here 2 pi. Again write out 20. Pi minus 2 pi by 5. That much. So 5 minus 2 pi is 3 pi. Now check how many degree 2 pi by 5? 36 into 2 means 72. Here belonging my answer 2 pi by 5. So finally I done this value for our range for sine inverse sine 2 pi by 5. And my answer is 2 pi by 5 done for belonging my range open bracket minus 90 to 90. Sorry, not open bracket students. It is the closed bracket. And that's my final answer. Continue. Example 10. Show that sine inverse 3 by 5 minus sine inverse 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse 84 by 85. Yes, it's very easy and simple solution students. Sine pi convert into the 10. Yes, that's why here I assume. Suppose sine inverse 3 by 5 is a alpha. So what is the sine alpha? 3 by 5. And moving ahead into the 10, 3, 5, 4. Definitely 10 alpha. It is 3 by 4. So what is the alpha? 10 inverse 3 by 4. So first part happily done. Now second is similarly sine inverse 8 by 17. Just like assumption beta. So what is the tan beta? I mean sine beta 8 by 17. Put it in the triangle. Here 8, here 17. So how much next value? 15. Because 15 square 225. 8 square 64. It is 289. It means 17 square. And what is the tan beta? Yes, 8 by 15. Beta, it is a tan inverse 8 by 15. Now students, here I start actually my sum. So I go into our LHS part. So what is my LHS? Sine inverse 3 by 5 and sine inverse 8 by 17. Yes, this value already you assume alpha and beta. So I apply here alpha. And what is the alpha? Tan inverse 3 by 4. Next, tan inverse 8 by 15. And formula apply. 3 by 4 minus 8 by 15 upon 1 plus 3 by 4, 8 by 15. Students, it's very simple and easy solution. I am going to in the cos value. Now take the LCM. 15 4s are 60. So 15 into 3 45. 8 4s are 32 by 60. Same here, 15 4s are 16 plus 8 3s are 24 by 60. 60 60 cutting. Only I have 45 minus 32. How much? 5 minus 2 3, 4 minus 3 1, 38, and 60 plus 2 80, 84. Now students will wait this answer. Our answer converted into cos. So this value I translate into cos. It's very easy, son. Assume our question tan inverse 13 by 84 is equal to theta. So what is the tan theta? 13 by 84. You know the triangle property. Here 13, here 84. So definitely third part is this. How many? 85. Either you check. Perfect square, 13 square plus 84 square is equal to definitely 85. So what is the cos theta? 84 by 85. So what is the theta? Cos inverse 84 by 85. And this theta students here you apply. So indirectly it is cos inverse 84 by 85. And that's my RHS. It's very easy sum. Correct? Yes, right, proper students. After that I go to ahead example number 11. Students, in your textbook expression by different method. Yes, different method. That also true students. And that one is also true. So as you like, any one method you prefer. Now example 11. Example 11 is also students 3 marks questions. So first of all note that question is a 3 marks. Question is there, sin inverse 12 by 13, cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 63 by 16 is equal to pi. So I start there. First of all, here assumptions. Suppose sin inverse 12 by 13 is your alpha suggestions. So what is the sin alpha? 12 by 13. Same as here assumption cos inverse 4 by 5 is beta. So what is the cos beta? It is 4 by 5. Now anyhow converting into chain value. So here you know students cos alpha 12 13. Next one is a 5 by 13 because triangle property 12 13 here 5. So what you get tan alpha sin alpha by cos alpha. Finally done. 12 by 5. Same as here. Sin theta. According to triangle property, we have 4 here 5. It is 3. So 3 by 5. So what you get students? Tan beta. Yes. Sin beta by cos beta, which is 3 by 5. You know why I create these two values? Yes. After that I go to my LHS. What is the LHS? Sin inverse 12 by 13, cos inverse 4 by 5, and tan inverse 63 by 16. Students, this value already translated in the tan. So here I am going to alpha, beta, and as it is 63 by 16, and that alpha is known students here. Tan inverse 12 by 5. Tan inverse 3 by 5. Look at that. Here beta, here alpha, and that same as tan inverse 63 by 16. Now students, I start these two values. Either these two, as you like. I go into first two. Check about 12 into y. 12 by 5 into 3 by 5. So 12 is a 36 by 25. It is more than 1. Students, whenever it is more than 1 value, then you formula update 5 plus tan inverse 12 by 5 plus 3 by 5 1 minus same is. If you less than 1 students, then you never write pi plus. But if you more than 1, then you go into xy value more than 1, then pi. And the same as tan inverse 63 by 16. Now happily done. What are you taking LCM? 63 by 16. This is a proper here. Now what is the LCM? 5 and 5 here? Yes, it is 25. So 12 by the 60, 5 is a 15 by 25. Similarly, 25 minus 36 by 25, 25 go on. You just clearly over that here sir. Because both value cutting 63 upon 60. How much? 60 plus 15? Students, I think sure here my mistake there. 12 by the 60 and 5 is the 15. And that will be 5 by 25 minus 26. Yes, correct. 60, 70, 75. And here how much? 25 minus 16? Yes, it is minus 11. I think some mistake there in questions. 12 by 13, just wait, I check. 12 by 13. So this value is 12 by 5, correct? Cos inverse 4 by 5. So here 4 by 5, then it is 3 by 5. 4 by 5, 3 by 5, correct? And 63 by 16. Why they not cancel both of the values? 12 by 5 plus 3 by 5. 1 minus 12 by 5, 3 by 5. Now students, mistakes here gone. It is beta is your 3 by not 5, it is 3 by 4. So here 3 by 4. And further, similarly here 3 by 4. You getting that 36 by 20. It is sure again 4 there. So here 3 by 4. Just you checking. Students, my mistake there. So LCM here 20 gone. Upper and lower side. Now 12 4s are 48. 5 plus 3, 15. Similarly here, 20 LCM, that is get 20. And last 36A. Now finished. How much? 48 plus 15? Yes, 63. And here minus 16. Now your property utilized. Tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. And students, this property is applying after that. Very easily numericals done. This value is a tan inverse minus outside 63 by 16 plus 63 by 16. That cancel. And my answer is 5 RHS. Yes, students. Here one mistake already I clear here. So don't worry students. Just write down here sin beta 3 by 5. Tan beta is 3 by 4. Opposite by adjacent. That's why mistakes. And after that you clear. Finally done. Yes, right, proper. Now continue students, question number 12 example. Simplify the tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x upon b cos x plus a sin x. Students, here also I say in repetitions. Anyhow, this value we create here one. Why? Because the internal data converting into tan, outside tan inverse and happily remove value. So we divide b cos x not equal to 0 to upper level and lower side. So a cos x by b cos x. Similarly, here also b cos x. Same, divide that b cos x by b cos x, and after all same b cos x. Finally, see this cancel. Here also cancel. That also cancel. So other value finish sum here only a by b. Here tan x 1 plus a by b tan x, and that is my property. What is property? Tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. That is a by b. Get tan x. Finished. Tan inverse a by b as it is. And here only x. That much. Our last answer. And finally done. You finish this sum. Tan inverse a by b is equal to x. And example 12. Students, here done. Now I go to example 13. Same as solve the following. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal equal to pi by 4. Yes, students, here solving, not even prove that it is a solving. It means here assumptions alpha beta either go to both side and function apply. It's the best way. And internal same is write down. Now we know the formula, students. Tan alpha plus beta is consider alpha and then consider beta. So tan of first, tan of second upon 1 minus tan of first value and tan of second value. And how much tan pi by 4? Is 1. Here apply tan inverse 2x. Similarly 3x. Same as 2x. And here also tan inverse 3x. Yes, over sum this and that ring. Only I have 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 2x into 3x. And now students, easy quadratic equation calculate. 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x squared. So 6x squared plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. And this splitting, I think students know very well. Say 6 1 is 6, but I want 5. Say students, 6 1 is 6. I want 5. What is splitting? Priming splitting taking plus 6 minus 1. Why? You're not taking a 3 and 2. It may be 5, but not a minus value belonging. So common taking 6x, x plus 1, minus 1, x plus 1. So one answer is x plus 1. Other 6 expense. So finally you get x is equal to 1 plus 1 or x is equal to 1 by 6. Now let's check if both answers are true. Sometimes both true, sometimes both wrong. Either any one true. So I go to verifications. Necessary verify that. So verification for first one. For x is equal to how much? Minus 1. Put down in the LHS and I check out. Maybe RHS belonging either one. So tan inverse this x applied in the both terms. So here minus 2, then x minus 3. Formula utilize our property. Same as minus outside. Both minus area outside. It is tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. Now let's check. This condition belong or not? X into y, 2 into 3, 6 more than 1. When a value more than 1, then what is the rule? Pi plus. And if you less than 1, then not apply pi plus. So my answer is pi plus tan inverse pi by minus pi. And it get value. How much? Yes, minus 1. When 10 minus 1, 45 degree minus, so my answer is a 3 pi by 4 minus. Now students wait and check. This answer is equal to RHS? No, means this answer is wrong. So here mentioned not equal to pi by 4 our RHS. So finally this x equal to minus 1. We not taking our final answer. Now x is equal to 1 by 6 check. So after that we are just showing x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution. Now continue verification. What is the verification? X is equal to, next answer is a 1 by 6. Apply at LHS. Tan inverse 2x, tan inverse 3x. Apply the 1 by 1, 1 by 6 and next value for 2 by 6. Here 2 by 6, 3 by 6. Check out and clarify the answer for the both term wise. First answer is 1/3. answer is yes, less than 1. Students, here more than 1. But here less than 1. So final outlet tan inverse 1 by 6, 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 2. How much LCM? Yes, taking 12 LCM. So 2 plus 6 by 12. 12 minus 1 by 12. And this tablet is 12. What the value? It is 6n plus 2 each by here 10. Sorry, 11. This answer is also something wrong. Just check out the answer again. 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x. Yes, students, my mistake there here. 2 by 6 is what? 1 by 3. That is a 1 by 3. So here 1 by 6 less than 1. And here I just correction my value. 1 by 3 and here also 1 by 3. Now LCM taking 6. So 2 plus 3 by 6. Same. 6 minus 1 by 6. Now how much? Yes, 6 gone. Here 5 by 5. And it is only 1. And that is the 5 by 4. Now check out. That's my RHS. It means my final solution of that x value is what is the correct? 1 by 6. But not the correction of minus 1. And students, here our numerical is done. Here one mistake already I taken 2 by 6, 1 by 3. So you students make the correction and after that properly write. Now students, miscellaneous exercise I continue. After that the illustration number 13. First one, cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6. Yes, what is the range of cos inverse? It is 0 to pi. 13 pi by 6 not belong the range. So that's why I calculate in the range. You know 6 table nearest 13. Yes, 10. So 2 pi plus pi by 6. And where is belonging to pi plus pi by 6? Students, here 2 pi plus is go to here. After the one rotation will belong in the first quadrant. So entirely first quadrant cos pi by 6. Now check pi by 6 belong in my range. In the range of 0 to pi. And here happily our done. Second question. Same as tan range. What is the range of tan? Minus 90 to 90. 7 pi by 6 not belong there because 30, 30, 30. 7 times 210 here. So I just move ahead. 10 5 plus pi by 6. Yeah, 5 plus pi by 6. Which quadrant? Third. So 10 positive. Answer done. Belong my range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Because this range are belonging to your pi by 6 value. And very simple solution. Now third question. Prove that. Now students, here prove that when you start. 2 sine inverse 3 by 5 which is tan inverse 24 by 7. Look at that. My answer in the form of 10. So very easy. Here I translate sine inverse 3 by 5 in the 10. So it's very simple. Assume that sine inverse 3 by 5 which is alpha. Any degree apply, students. So what is the sine alpha? 3 by 5. What is cos alpha? According to triangle 4 by 5. So what is the chain alpha? Sine by cos. Yes, 3 by 4. Here your triangle will be 5 and 4. 10 value is 3 by 4. So alpha is ready. Tan inverse 3 by 4. Now I actually start my sum. LHS 2 sine inverse 3 by 5. Alpha suggestion. What is the alpha? Tan inverse. And that I know. Tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. It is a property. And utilize the property wise solution. And easily. Tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Students, here you check down your x into y value is a less than 1 or more than 1. Yes, it is less than 1. Now LCM. What is LCM total? 4 and 4, 16 taking. So 12 plus 12 by 16. And here also 16, 16 gone. Check. How many? 12 and 12, 24 by 7. And that's my RHS. See, it's very easy process. And simple way, I have suggestion and converting into chain. Students, here other 6 answers also true. Tan inverse given. Sometimes sin inverse, cos inverse, otherwise cot inverse, sec inverse, and cosec inverse. And correct? Yes, right, proper. Now continue, students. Question number 4. Sin inverse 8 by 17, 3 by 5. We get 77 by 36. So this also same, students. Assume that. Suppose sin inverse 8 by 17 is a alpha. What is sin alpha? 8 by 17. Going to triangle. 8 by 17. Sure 15. So cos alpha 15 by 17. So what is the tan alpha? 8 by 50. Alpha reading. Tan inverse 8 by 50. And that value is here false. Then similarly, here assumption that one. Sin inverse 3 by 5 beta. So what is sin beta? 3 by 5. Going to triangle. Here 3, 5, 4. Cos alpha done. Cos beta done. It is how much? 4 by 5. So tan beta is also done. It is how much? 3 by 4. So beta is tan inverse 3 by 4. Finally, these two values, students, I can start with that LHS. My LHS, sin inverse 8 by 17 plus sin inverse 3 by 5. And these all values applying in this part. So here alpha and here beta. What is alpha? Tan inverse 8 by 15. Similarly, tan inverse 3 by 4. Now students, that value I started with the condition x into y 8 by 15 3 by 4. And check, these are less than 1. Yes, 4 2s are here 6 by 15 less than 1. So property applied. Tan inverse 8 by 15 plus 3 by 4. 1 minus 8 by 15, 3 by 4. And take out the LCM, 100%. You're getting that RHS answer. So your 60 LCM, 8 4s are 32 plus 45. Similarly, 60, 24. And now checking how much? 32 plus 45, 60, 60 gone. Surely it is 77. And how much 60 minus 24? Surely 36. That's my RHS. And easily, this numerical, students, we are done. Now students, I go ahead, question number 5. Question is there, cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 30 is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. So very easy, students. Here I assume that alpha and beta. So suppose cos inverse 4 by 5 is your alpha. So what you get? Cos alpha 4 by 5. And simple, students, translate into sin alpha according to your triangle property. Here 4 by 5, definitely here 3. So what is the tan alpha? Yes, it is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 because it is a 3 by 5 sin, cos is a 4 by 5. So alpha become tan inverse 3 what is the students cos beta? Yes, 12 by 13. So apply same property here. 12, 13, definitely 5 here. So what you get sin beta? Yes, 5 by 13. So what is the tan beta? Definitely you get 5 by 12. So beta become tan inverse 5 by 12. After that students, I start my LHS portion. So my LHS portion is cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13. And when you put it, you get alpha and here beta. So alpha is a tan inverse 3 by 4 plus here 5 by 12. Now students, this value I calculate with the RHS form. So I first check x into y, which have 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. Surely here 3 4s are 1, 5 by 16, and you get it. That is only less than 1. So my property is tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. 1 minus 3 by 4. 5 by 12. Yes. Now check what is the LCM. 12 and 4. Total LCM comes students. So tan inverse. Here 12 3s are 36. 5 4s are 20. By here 12 4s are 48. Same is second 48. 5 3s are 15. By 48 is gone. 48 and 48. Now 36 plus 20. How much? Students? Yes, 36 plus 20. We get 56. And 48 minus 15. It is 23. And sure, we convert it into cos now. Very easy. Assume that tan inverse 56 by 36 is equal to theta. So what is the tan theta? 56 by 33. Go to triangle property. Here 56, here 33. Definitely next part is 65. So what is the cos theta? 33 by 65. Theta getting cos inverse 33 by 65. And that's answer I is created. After that tan inverse 56 by 33 is the cos inverse 33 by 65. That's my answers. Students, a different answer is also available in the sine. What is sine? Inverse 56 by 65. Other three also valid. Cosec, sec, and the cot inverse. That likes. Correct? Now, I move ahead. Question number 7. Sorry, not 7. It is a cos inverse 33 by 65. Now I go to 6th one. 12 by 13. 3 by 5. And here 56 by 65. This numerical also same pattern somewhere. Here converting into 10 necessary. So assume cos inverse 12 by 13 alpha. So what is the cos alpha? 12 by 13. Go to triangle. Here 12, here 13, definitely 5. So tan alpha is 5 by 12. Alpha get tan inverse 5 by 12. That value is your first case. Now similarly students, here second value. So sin inverse 3 by 5 is a beta. So what is the sin beta? 3 by 5. So again you go to triangle property and 3 by 5 or 4. So what is the tan beta? Yes, it is 3 by 4. So what is the beta? Tan inverse 3 by 4. This value I attach in this question. So LHS cos inverse 12 by 13 sin inverse 3 by 5. You get alpha plus beta. And what is your alpha? Tan inverse 5 by 12. Similarly, tan inverse 3 by 4. And now, same checking students, according to your conditions, both way, x and y. So, my values for x into y. What is your x? 5 by 12. 3 by 4, 3 4s are 5 by 16, and it is less than 1 students. So this property utilized now, tan inverse 5 by 12, 3 by 4, 1 minus 5 by 12, 3 by 4. Yes. Now take out the LCM. 12 and 4, totally 48. So tan inverse, here 20 plus 36 by 48. Same. 12 4s are 48 minus 15 by 48 is 48, 48. Easily. Students solve. So tan inverse, how much? 20 and 36, 56. And we have 48 minus 15. Yes, 33. And I want in the terms of sign. So here, assumption. Assume tan inverse 56 by 33 is a theta. So what is the tan theta? Yes, 56 by 33. This value. And operate on the triangle property. Here 56, here 33. Definitely students, the next value is a 65. After that, pi goes to. So sin theta, I want in the sin theta answer. It is 56 by 65. So what is the theta? Yes, sin inverse 56 by 65. And that value I apply here. 56 by 65. And that is your RHS. And happily done. This numerical students. Here declare that case is theta because I go to triangle rule by here beta and here write down alpha, and these two values create your last value. Continue. 7th. Sin inverse 5 by 13 cos inverse 3 by 5. But this answer is also same solution, but I start from RHS here. Assume sin inverse 5 by 13 is alpha. So sin alpha is equal to 5 by 13. Now go to triangle. Here your alpha 5 by 13, definitely 12. So what you get? Tan alpha? Yes, 5 by 12. So alpha is getting tan inverse 5 by 12. This value I utilize in this further solutions. Same as here assume cos inverse 3 by 5 is beta. So what is the cos beta? Yes, 3 by 5. Going to again triangle property, here beta, cos utilized 3 by 5 or 4. So what is the tan beta now? It is 4 by 3. So what is the beta? Tan inverse 4 by 3. This full value, students, I just apply in this solution. Now start RHS. My RHS value, sin inverse 5 by 13. Cos inverse 3 by 5. So you get alpha plus beta. What is your alpha? Tan inverse 5 by 12. And here 4 by 3. After that, I go to students just condition wise. And it's very simple explanations. First of all, you check your x and y value. For the fully x into y, it is 5 by 12 into 4 by 3. Oh, again same. 4 3s are 12, 5 by 9, and it is less than 1. Yes. So my answer is tan inverse. First value 5 by 12, 4 by 3, 1 minus 5 by 12, 4 by 3. And now taking students, simple basic LCM. How much LCM? 12 and 3, 36 total combined taking. So 5 is a 15, 12 4 is a 48 by 36 upon. Here also same. 12 is a 36 minus 5 4 is a 20 by 36. So tan inverse. How much total? 48 plus 15. Yes, it is 38 and 5. 13 1 came. 4 5 6 63. Over done here, and it is 16. So that's your analysis. And finally, we are over this numerical. Students, every time you any function given, translate in which form? Yes, in the tan form. Now, I go to next one. Question number 8. Exercise continue. Tan equals 1 by 5. 1 by 7. 1 by 3. And 1 by 8. And prove that 5 by 5. Yes, students, this was a very simple process. There are 4 functions given. So I just start this 2 and this 2. I need to value. And already this tan function given, so never convert it in the tan. Just to check out x into y. 1 by 5 to 1 by 7. It is less than 1. Same as in this 2 checking, students. X into y same. Compulsory checking, and this checking compulsory. If you less than 1, then direct property, and if you more than 1, then 5 plus property. So apply that tan inverse. 1 by 5, 1 by 7. Same as 1 by 5, 1 by 7. This my first case one. Similarly, I go ahead, second one. That 1 by 3, 1 by 8, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 8. Now take the LCM. 7 5s are 35, and here 8 3s are 24. So tan inverse 7 plus 5 by 35. Similarly, 35 minus 1 by 35, same as here. 8 plus 3, 8 3s are 24. And here 24 minus 1 by 24. This 2 come, same as this 2 come. So my answer is tan inverse. How much? 7 and 5? 12 by 34. And here 11 by 23. Yes. Now students, one more time ahead. We are checking for x and y. Before checking x and y, I just simplify them. Here 6 2s are and 17 2s are 26 by 17. 6 2s are 17 2s are. And here students, tan inverse 11 by 23. Now one more time check x into y, students. Yes, x into y. What is the x? 6 by 17. Y is 11 by 23. Surely it is less than 1. A very big product, but it taking less than 1. Either calculate 17 into 23. How much? 23 into 17? Yes, 0. 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. 7 threes are 21. 2k and 7 twos are 14. 15 and 16. So 1, 9 and 3. It is 391. So surely your answer is 66 by 391 is less than 1. Now I go to property. 6 by 17, 11 by 23, 1 minus 6 by 17 and 11 by 23. Correct? And final solution. So 10 inverse. Here LCM taking 23 into 6 are. Yes, 23 into 6 are 138. 11 into 17 is 187 divided by your LCM 391. Same as students. Here 11 into 23, 391 minus 66 by 391. This 391 gone. And now added 138 plus 187, 15 1, 8 and 4 12 1. It is a 325. Yes, 10 inverse 325. Check, lower is also 325. Your final value 391 minus 66. I think some mistakes are there, students. 11 minus 6 5 and here 2. Yes, 325. Correct, no mistake. Cutting, your value is a 10 inverse 1. And when 1? 5 by 4. And here your RHS. Yes, students. Only 4. That solution is the infinite solutions. So sometimes you check out the products and additions, then you get properly answer. Yes, students. Here our part 5 ending. Congratulations students, all of you. Till part 1 to part 5 we happily completed here, and in part 6 explanations I explain you in the next video. If you students any doubts related in these chapters, then you WhatsApp on my phone number. You know that my phone number. And if you have any query, then you direct call me. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.